Last video we had completed conductance and conductivity of electrolytic solutions. Now, if we have different types of electrolytes, different volume of the solutions, then what will happen? Conductivity will differ. Different electrolyte, different conductance and conductivity will differ. Then how to compare their conductivities? So in order to compare the conductivities of different electrolytes, because different electrolyte ionizes more or less, in somewhere there are more ions, somewhere there are less ions. Suppose we are preparing 2 mole solution, another solution is 1 molar or 1 normal, the number of ions, their charges, their size will differ, so conductance will differ. So in order to overcome this difficulty, they had given 2 more terms, and that is called molar conductivity. What is it? Molar conductivity. What is molar conductivity? And it is denoted by lambda m. Molar conductivity means it is the conductance of solution. It is conductance of solution जिसमें 1 mole having 1 mole electrolyte, 1 mole electrolyte in solution. Whatever be the volume, suppose V centimeter cube solution. Electrolyte fixed है, 1 mole होना चाहिए. 1 mole NaCl, 1 mole KCl, 1 mole K2SO4, 1 mole Na2SO4. Electrolyte की quantity fixed, that is 1 mole. If we are dissolving in given volume, then the conductance is known as molar conductivity. So molar conductivity is the conductance of a solution containing 1 mole of electrolyte in the volume of solution. What is the volume of solution? V centimeter cube, or we can say V m. Mathematically it is denoted as lambda m equals K by C. C is concentration and here C is measured in molarity. So it is K by molar. Now there are 2 formulas depending upon the units of K. Suppose K unit is, K is taken in Siemens meter inverse, or the unit of K is Siemens centimeter inverse. 2 units are possible for K. नीचे तो molarity છે તો એની તો unit માં કઈ ફેર ન હોય. How the molarity is measured? Mole per liter. Here also molarity is measured in mole per liter. Now in order to determine lambda m units as well as its formula, we have to convert this liter into meter cube, because here it is meter inverse. And in that case, this liter is converted into centimeter. We know from dimension analysis how to convert meter into liter. So we know that 1 liter means how many meter cube? It's 1000 liter means 1 meter cube. This is the relation between meter cube and liter. 1 meter cube is 1000 liter. Okay. Now this liter will cancel. This meter cube will move up. So formula become K upon concentration into 1000. Molarity into 1000. This is the formula we will use for calculating lambda m. This is molarity. We had placed just its unit. Okay. Unit will become, it's Siemens meter inverse now meter cube ऊपर जाएगा, meter square, and this is mole. Take it up, so it will be mole. So unit of lambda m is Siemens meter square per mole. At that time we have to divide this 1000 unit. Suppose તમને numerical છે ને એમાં કપ્પા આપ્યું છે meter inverse માં, then convert it into divided by 1000 while using this formula. In second case, lambda m will start from here. We know that lambda m is conductivity upon molarity. Suppose unit of conductivity is given Siemens centimeter inverse. Molarity we know it is in mole per liter. Just we have to convert this liter into centimeter cube because it is CGS. What's the relation between centimeter cube and liter? We know that 1 liter is 1000 centimeter cube. This liter will cancel. Answer will be K. Molarity. ऊपर आएगा 1000. This 1000 move up. So into 1000. This is the formula for calculating lambda m. Now what is the unit of lambda m? Siemen centimeter square per mole. This centimeter cube when move up, it will become centimeter square. And this mole when move up, it will become mole. So these are the two different units for calculating lambda m. Accordingly, you have to use the formula. If it is in Siemen meter inverse, divide by 1000. If it is Siemen centimeter inverse, multiply by 1000. Or we can also convert like this. 1 Siemen centimeter square per mole. Suppose you want to convert it into Siemen meter square per mole. What we have to do? It's centimeter to meter, we have to change to 10 to the power minus 4 to multiply. And suppose we have Siemen meter square per mole. How to convert it into centimeter square? 10 to the power 4 Siemen centimeter square per mole. These are also the conversion factor. Remember any one formula and at last you can convert. Suppose આપણે આ ફોર્મ્યુલા યુઝ કરીએ સેન્ટીમીટર વાળી, આન્સર મીટરમાં હોય તો ચલે આ કન્વર્ઝન ફેક્ટર યુઝ કરી લેવાનું. So there are two formulas for calculating molar conductivity. Okay. Now one more term is there, and that is equivalent conductivity. Equivalent conductivity. What is equivalent conductivity? It is denoted by lambda EQ. Now in molar conductivity, we took 1 mole electrolyte in given solution. In equivalent conductivity, 1 gram equivalent of a solute dissolved in given solution. So if 1 gram equivalent electrolyte dissolved in given volume or volume of solution, then the conductance is known as equivalent conductivity. So formula will be, instead of using molarity, we have to use normality. How to determine its unit? Same way we can determine lambda EQ, K upon normality. Normality is given in gram equivalent per liter. Molarity mole per liter, normality gram equivalent per liter. Suppose Siemen, this K unit is Siemen meter inverse. And in second case, conductivity unit is given Siemen centimeter inverse and normality. So, gram equivalent per liter. What we have to do? We have to convert this liter into meter cube. जैसे पहले किया था वैसे. So if you want to convert, then we have to write its conversion factor. We know that 1000 liter is 1 meter cube. Liter will be cancelled. Here it is liter. So liter will be cancelled and the formula become lambda EQ as K normality into 1000. What's the unit of lambda EQ? It is Siemen meter square gram equivalent inverse. Instead of mole inverse, it is gram equivalent inverse. Similarly, અહીંયા આવશે lambda EQ in Siemen centimeter square gram equivalent inverse. Formula will become K into 1000 upon normality. So here in equivalent conductivity we have to use normality of the solution. In molar conductivity we have to use molarity of the solution. Okay, it is broad way for calculating conductances. Now we'll do one sum on this molar conductance and all. How to use all the formulas, we'll do one sum. One solved example is given. Question number 3.4. Solved example 3.4. Resistance of conductivity cell filled with 0.1 mole per liter KCl is 100 ohm. One conductivity cell is there. KCl solution 0.1 molar is filled and its resistance is given 100 ohm. If the resistance of same cell when filled with 0.02 mole per liter, each cell છે, but now the solution is filled 0.02 mole per liter KCl. So resistance becomes, resistance measured is 520 ohm. conductivity and molar conductivity of this solution, you have to determine if the conductivity of this solution is given 1.29 Siemens meter inverse. This we have to determine. What we'll do? Cell is same. So first we'll find L by A for this. That L by A we can use for this. Because cell is same, so L by A will be, cell constant will be same. So first of all we have to determine cell constant from this. What's the formula? We know K equal to G L by A. G can be 1 by R, inverse of resistance. L by A. What is L by A? Kappa into R. What is K given? 1.29 Siemens meter inverse. And what is R? 100. So answer will be 129 meter inverse. This is L upon A. Now L upon A we will use here. L upon A is 129 meter inverse. You can find K. Again use same formula. K is equals to, K is equals to 1 by R into L by A. Put up the value of R, 520. What is L by A? 129. So what is the value for conductivity of second solution? It will be, conductivity for second solution will be 248, 0.248. It's Siemens meter inverse. How to find molar conductivity lambda m? Lambda m is, we know, K upon molarity into 1000. क्यों मैंने नीचे 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई किया? Because it is in Siemens meter inverse, that's why. So lambda m value will be 0.248 divided by, what's the molarity? 0.02 into 1000. So answer will be, if you remove it, then it's 12.8 into 10 to the power minus 3. What's the unit for this lambda m? Siemens meter square per mole. This is the unit. If you want to convert it into centimeter square, we can. Meter square थी centimeter square करવું છે ને 10 to the power 4 થી multiply कर दियो 10 to the power minus 3 छेद શું આવી જશે હવે 128 Siemens centimeter square. This way we can use different formulas. Okay.